everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm making an easy sausage quiche, and we're going to have this for breakfast today. And I wish I could say it was beautiful here in Georgia today, but it's not. It's really raining and gloomy again. So I guess we'll have a couple of days of nice weather, and then it'll get gloomy again. At least we're doing a lot better than a lot of you who are suffering from being buried in snow. So a little rain, I guess, is not that bad. And Calvin probably wishes it would hurry up and quit raining because he's anxious to get started on his garden. So let me get started on my easy quiche recipe. This is a pound of sausage, but I'm only going to be using 1/2. So I'm going to brown this up. Now then I'm going to add this is about the ends of 5 green onions. I'm going to cook this for about a minute. Now then, I'm going to drain off what little bit of grease I have in here. Alright, I have my sausage browned and drained, so now I'm going to add half of it into my pie shell. Now then I'm going to add about half of my cheese. Okay, now I'm going to add the rest of my sausage. Okay. Now then I'm going to beat up my eggs. This is 6 medium-sized eggs. Okay. Now then I'm going to add my 1 cup of milk. And my spices. The recipe will be in the description below. Okay.
Marie, that's looking good. I'm getting hungry.
I think this will make us a good brunch. Okay, now then pour it in my pie shell. Oops. Okay. think that's all I'm going to put in that one. Okay. Over just a little bit. Okay, now then I'm going to add the rest of my cheese. You could put some hot sauce in this, but I forgot to put mine in there. But I'll put it on when it gets done.
That sure looks good. Can't wait till it comes out of the oven.
I know it. I love brunch because I am hungry. Okay. I have my sausage quiche assembled now, and so I'm going to cook it about 40 to 45 minutes, and so I'm going to check it at 30 minutes, and if it looks like it's getting too brown, I'm going to put some aluminum foil over it. So let me put this in the oven and I'll be back. Okay, my pie has just got through cooking now, and I let it cook for 30 minutes, and then I checked it and I noticed it was getting a little brown. So I got some aluminum foil and I covered it and let it cook 10 more minutes. But when I put my aluminum foil over it, I sprayed it with a little spray so it doesn't stick. And one of the ways you can tell your pie is done is when you do it like that and it doesn't jiggle in the middle. So anyway, I'm going to let this cook for 30 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, my sausage quiche has been cooling for 30 minutes. So I'm going to take it out and put it in here. I'll move this over and do the taste test. Let's see now. That looks good. That looks good. Okay, so now I'm going to do the taste test. That is really delicious. I think if you make this dish, you'll really like it. We're fixing to have it for brunch. I'm going to serve it with some strawberries on the side. And this is really good. So do what you love and love what you do. And y'all have a great day. Bye.